is Stefano and I'm from North Milano. I moved to California almost 18 years ago. I'm a chef, I run a restaurant. Actually, not just one, for a couple of years I ran a couple of restaurants. I love cook, I surf, I do yoga and I meditate every morning. I'm Italian, I cook Italian dish. All my friends think I'm crazy because I'm so energetic and I look right away a green light. I don't stop, I keep going. Food is something you love. From the skill of my parents, you know, I grew up in Milano with my parents from Piemonte. The ingredient you bring at the table, you make just like art, you make your dish. The mom of my wife is from Emilia-Romagna, and that area is amazing. It teaches me a lot about fresh pasta. I make fresh pastas almost every day. I don't buy pasta, I do ravioli, cannelloni and lasagna. I want to share just one simple dish with you. Good ingredient is extra virgin oil, okay? So I go very simple and I do something with mussel and clam. It's a simple sauce. You want to use for pasta, welcome. You want to do like a little soup of caciugo. It's very good and easy to make. So warm it up your oil, bring inside garlic. Fish love garlic, okay? A little saute, and right away you add the ingredient. In this case, mussel and clam don't have to be sauteed too much because it's a shell, so it's very easy, you know. Little bit salt and pepper. I have my own fish stock here to cook. Couple of tomato, not too much because Italian is not just tomato. A touch of spicy. I go in the saute, give me 1 second, and I add a touch of wine. Voila, and a big cover. When the mussel and clam is open, it's done. Okay? Little bit fire, voila for you. You have fire every time. So the kitchen is like a playground, okay? You have the ingredient, you have your power, and you need a good team. Thank you very much, and big kiss for everybody. Ciao.